And this gym has a very big purpose. Purpose to spread knowledge about fitness. As you all know, fitness, we use term fitness every day. Now and then we study about fitness, we study about sports, we study about technical aspects of sports. But this is very important to know the exact meaning of the terminology. What is it, what is its importance, and how and where we should use this word. Fitness, as you all are from sports, and I'm also from sports, so fitness we use for specifically for sports and sports people. But no, not definitely sports. I mean, fitness is not only for the sports and sports people. Fitness is for all. It is necessary for all. It is necessary for the each and every aspect of the society, the people of each and every age and sex. Sports, again, if I define, has two broad ways. Fitness for the general masses and fitness for the sports-specific people. If I talk about sports-specific people who participate in different sports, there are various examples of sports and games you can talk about. If we talk about hockey people, if we talk about football, if we talk about basketball, swimming, number of games and sports which require different parameters of fitness components. And on the other hand, if we talk about general masses, they also need amount of fitness. Why fitness? Why is it required for them? Can anyone answer me? Why? Why fitness for masses? Why fitness for other people? Why is it required?
To live a healthy life.
To live a healthy life, because we want our society, healthy society. Then only we can have healthy and strong nation. That is why